Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike and the MOJO Day Trading Show. How's everybody doing today? Gonna give you an afternoon update. It's an awesome thing that we have going on Friday. Hope everyone had a nice day. If you're still trading and you haven't made your money, it means you probably have no plan, no system, no mentor. You don't know what you got going on, what you're doing. Definitely come to the MOJO room and try that out. So we have a lot of action happening today on the MOJO side. I'll show you what went on in the chat room. It's amazing. I sat here for like 35 minutes and I've prepared for the show and I got all these things set up. My phone should ring in about a minute. The vacuum just went on the other side. It's amazing, man. That's why I had to pause, and it's like amazing. It's amazing. Timing. At least the stocks didn't hibby-jibby like that. Stocks have been good to me. This is my asylum. This is my sanctuary. I have that in my little spinner. Just relax. So I'll show you what we got going on and what we did today. UVXY, it's 13. We've been trading that every day. It's very successful. Even though it's a downtrending kind of stock, it does not make any difference. It's an ETF that's very, very liquid. And we look to trade that stock on a daily basis because it has nice fluctuations, and that's all you need. Plug actually went up 15 cents. I saw it when it was up a penny. Now it's up 16 cents. Look. Made a nice move all day. This kind of small bar 15, 20 bar action. You move it to a 15, you're in a rail grind for quite some time. And we traded these other stocks pretty nicely today. So let me just take a look at some other things while you take a look at the market right there.
They were always side by side, but trapped in the friend zone until finally they got together.
I think that's working there. Let me just look here. No, that's not working. 16 cents, look. Oh yeah, it is. Made a nice move all day. This kind of small bar 15, 20 bar action. Move it to a 15, wow. You're in a rail grind for quite some time. And we traded these other stocks pretty nicely today. That's pretty cool. So look at some other things while you take a look at the market right there.
They were always side by side, but trapped in the friend zone until finally.
Real interesting. Because I'm just checking out this stream that I have going on. Let's see. Someone's putting some spam up on my Twitter and everything, so I just had to delete that. And they're all coming out of the woodworks. That usually happens when a lot of people start losing in the stock market. They have nothing to do, and then they start pointing the fingers at other people saying, hey, look everybody, this guy is a bad guy. He lost me money. No, you lost your money. You just happen to be subscribed to a service for $99 a month. Cool, everything's working nice. You just happen to be subscribed to a service for $99 a month, and I happen to be that one that you lost with. So if it wasn't me, it would have been somebody else. Makes no difference. The guys that are in my room, they stay, and they've been here for a long time. Here's the MOJO room right now. Pretty much everybody's gone for the day. Here's the room. We have some people left in here today. We've traded very nicely. I'll leave this chart up right here that we have going on This IMMU we traded beautifully today. This is the 15-minute chart that we traded right here at the open from $5. Stock went to $7. 2 points. It's a really nice move on a stock in one day. How it can move like that. It went to 92. We're in this stock too, FNCX, which was another nice mover today. CLNE came all the way down. Look at that one. Wow. That's amazing. That's on the 15, but that is amazing. Let's see what it did right here at 11:15. It went up. That was the spike up. Right here, and then it died. Don't got the 3 bars though. See that bar's red? Don't like it. Green, green, green is what you need. But it is displaying a nice characteristics. We made nice money in it. Here's one we traded yesterday, BioScript. Making a nice move up right here on the daily right now. You see that? That's nice. And that's what we're doing. We're trading ETFs like UVXY, Nugget, JNUG, JDST, DGAS, UGAS, and LABD. They're my prime. You know, people trade other stocks like the SPY, but it's a $238 stock. You have to trade options on it, and they don't trade the same. Options contracts are expensive commissions. And then you have this $240 stock. How many shares can you really buy? Doesn't do any good for you. So you gotta trade UVXY. Has a nice dollar spread every day. TRCO long $40. This one's going through right now, look. But I'll fold, came too far down the street. Watch this one go through 40. TRCO, Tribune Media. This one's been up there 3 days in a row. DXCM going through 78 now. Look, 3 days in a row. Boom, boom, boom. Sick, right? I noticed these ones that go up 3 days in a row, like NVIDIA, not NVIDIA, NBio or something, NWB, was it? No, it was some other one this morning. Don't remember. Etsy's going through mini Hines 1150. Some nice chart pattern. This thing may go up another day. Doesn't have a lot of volume. I would like the volume bar to be 20 million on this, and then it would go up to 14. It'll fail. See some nice. Let's see some nice action over here. I have my other monitor. I'm gonna check out some screens and see what's going on right here. See if I see anything nice. You want to see a stock that's thousands of dollars that's in my scanner? Look. BRKA. I think that's the symbol. Yeah, it didn't come up. BRK. Right here. Berkshire Hathaway. Stock's $249,450 a share. One share is $249,000. One. You believe that? Here's another one that's $4,000 a share. Seaboard, SEB, $4,000 a share. It traded 70 shares today. Here's another one, NVR. NVR is $2,162 per share. Isn't that unbelievable? And here's another one, Priceline. William Shatner owns like 1 million shares of this stock at $2,000 a share. Can you believe that? FNCX, new high, 87. FNCX, we have this in the Mojo. It's going to 90, maybe $1. This was a swing pick as well, FNCX from Mojo Swing. We go right here to the Mojo Swing. I go right here, FNCX, boom, enter. take me right to the chart. FNCX just hit a new high a day. See, that's what we got. FNCX, where is it? That's not it. Cafe Press, Rite Aid, Fusion, I think it was last week. Catalyst Bio, APRI. Same ones. Here it is, FNCX 73 cents. See? Swing trade newsletter right here. It says, let's see. Swing trade newsletter. This is the newsletter I sent out on Wednesday, April 19th at end of the day at 66 cents. See how it does one little volume spike right there? Right there, see that? So you have your two greens. And then we waited a little bit, it took some time. If you look right here. So then we got it right there. See that one bar and then the two bar, and then we waited for some time, and now the stock's making its move. And you could see I'm in it already coming up out of this base. This is that new pattern that I was talking about. FNCX 2-buy strategy in place on Wednesday, April 19th. That's what I got right there. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Did a pre-market live stream this morning with live trading of that IMMU. Go check that out for sure. Definitely want to check that out. Nice, so I have my charts. Let me see. Let me see what a couple, if I have any good ones. I'm gonna do a little research right now. Live MOJO research. I can't show you my research, but I'm doing it. Oh, there's the phone call. Look, told you. Look. And I have to take it because I've been waiting for it. Hi, this is Mike. Oh, I'm doing really well. Thank you for asking. I've been waiting for the phone call, so I had to take it in the Nice. Thank you for waiting, everybody. Pro Trader Mike. Thank you. That was the an important phone call. I've been waiting for like customer service to call me back on this apparatuses that I'm looking at. So we have right here a couple of stocks that I'm looking at. Let me take a look. Here's a new one that came up. Symbol is NDRA. Let's take a look. NDRA. The stock is not even available. That's the smallest one. Then we have Delcath, which I already have. I'm thinking Delcath is going to come up off of this base right here and just go ballistic like Gibson did. Remember GBSN was a huge move. Gibson did its reverse, guys. Look, Gibby, and we missed it. Look, little Gibby from $1.16 and went a dollar move. Today, this morning, look, went from $1 to $2, but no volume. We couldn't have traded it. But still, it made an amazing move. We got to keep an eye. Little Gibby finally split. We had that one. And then give you a couple of other ones. Here's one, CVM at 11 cents. CVM, let's look at the daily. It's okay. It's got a little like saucer pattern, so you could fill this up with like Fruit Loops and Cheerios, and it's called like a saucer pattern. This is what is a bullish pattern right here. So if you see, you have like a saucer, and this is also a cup and handle right here, but you're already got the move off of that. So this saucer, which you fill up with Fruit Loops, already got its move right there, and now it's in a trending downtrend. Going to test the bottom of this line, so I don't like that one. Let's see another one. How about let's take a look. I don't want to go from. How about this? Oh, this is my stock. I already have it. HOTR is up 54% today. See it? HOTR. This is a MOJO swing pick. It's up 58%. You're like, bullshit, come on, dude. I'm like, yeah, it's a MOJO swing pick. We're up 58%. I'll show you. So if we go to the swing trade model, it's already been sold. It's all right, but at least we had it. I'll show you. It's all right as long as it's made money on it. Let me show you on a screen. Here we go. So here's the HOTR. This is what we're in now, what we've closed out for the month of May. We were in Y10 for a 38% gain, traded DELT for an 8% gain, lost 29 in dry ships, remade back almost all of it in dry ships. Trivana made money. Givo, we made money. This was done at $1.15. 7.48% on Givo. And we don't have the HOTR, but we did last month. Right here. HOTR at 30 cents. It was closed. We had it for 87 days. And now it's went to 52. We had it for 87 days. It was a long time. But we made money on it. Let me show you. It was in March. March was a good month. Here's all the gains and all the picks that came out in the newsletter. Top Ships was a good one, 58%. CVRS, 62%. PPHM. Roxy. We still have Roxy from $1.08. HOTR, huh? February. It was 87 days ago. It made a big move. Look at this month, 45 out of 45. Here's HOTR on January 30th at 40 cents. Went to 45. It's right at 45 where it is now. Pretty nice. Subscribe to my YouTube, folks, right there. Click subscribe. Every time I go live, you'll get an email and alerted. Every time. just click down there where that heart is, a little subscriber button. I think we should take another trade in dry ships right here at 95 and below. We can do that for an end of the day move. So I'll go back to the day trading channel right there. So that's really nice. And let's go, let me take a look at some other ones here on my thing. Data.io, showed you that one this morning. OLED's up there, it's 111. Here we go, Workhorse Group. WKHS. WKHS, guys, look at this one right here. 6.5 million. Perfect company right here. Did it $9.99, $9.99. That's a nice one, huh? Want to see another one? ECR, Eclipse Resources. Look at this one. Coming up off this base on 1 million right now. May go up tomorrow. We got to keep an eye on this one right here. You want to see another one? EVEP. Look at this one. $1.37 coming up off this little bottom bouncer on some nice volume, up 15%. I could show you some really good ones. You want to see another really good one? Look at this one. AETI right here at $1.85 coming up off this base on 27,000 shares. This thing trades bars. It can really get some movement, some big movement. And then you have, that's a really small float, 8 million shares. And then you have this one, which is PSDV. Look at this, PSDV, making a beautiful move towards Hines 2 right here. I'll put this one up on the screen. See, I like this one, PSDV. It's gonna go to $2. I like that one. What was that other one? Here's another one, Sierra Wireless, but that already made its move. Let me see, Mobi. That's a wireless. And Wi-Fi. That's another wireless, up 10%. See, all the wirelesses are following. I could have done a tag-along trade play today. See that Mojo U? That's a tag-along. That's a tag-along. Show you a couple other ones I got in here. Let's see. Fluidium. Here's another one. FLDM. 555 coming up out of a nice little move right here on the daily. I got some nice picks. Want to see another nice pick? OPHC. Opium Bank. They bank opium. It's called Optimum Bank. I'm just kidding. Gosh, you guys would believe anything. Look at that one at 289, but it's only 500 shares. You can't do it. Let me show you another good one. LEE, Lee Enterprises, coming up off this base. That AAOI, that was a good pick from this morning. Show you another good one. See, I show you ones no one's heard of. How about this? ATW, Atwood Oceanics, right here, up 7.8%. It's the same pattern on every one of these stocks. The last 10 I've pulled up, every one is coming up off destruction on the base. We got UV. UV's going up 1307 now. Here it goes. So then we have, here's another one. Amplify Snack Brands, BETR. Look at this stock. Coming up bing, bang, boom on 61,000. Both up 9.7%. Look, I noticed that. Look at ATW, that was 8.1. Maybe it was Lee. All right, here's another one. UQM. If you like this one, it's 68 cents. Look what this one's done from 45, making a big move up. This one stays on the radar, UQM. See that one, folks? That's a good one, UQM. Here's another one, NIHD. NIHD. 51 cents. This be the first day. We may get another day and it go up 60, 70, 80 cents. See that? I'll give you another one. IPI, Intrepid Pot. It's called Potash. Intrepid Potash. $2.01. See, coming up off the thing, does a 3-day move. It's the same pattern, fellas. Give you another one. Low volume, but we've had them before. IntelliCheck Mopalisa, IDN, breaking out right here. Could go up again another day, and it's making a volume at 87,000. Keep an eye on it, and there's a signal at 350. IntelliCheck Mopalisa and EYEG right here, coming up off this base on a single volume bar. We definitely keeping an eye on EYEG. This may be a big, big winner next week. EYEG, iGate Pharmaceuticals. And this one is a buy right now for the MOJO Swing Trade newsletter. Right now. I'm sending it out. And everybody that's listening to this can have it as well. iGate Pharmaceuticals. The pick just went out right now for the MOJO Swing Trade. You can see it. It just went in right here. New pick. Done. See it? iGate 206. Done. Now what I'm going to do is I have to send it to all my subscribers. It's going to go out to 300 subscribers that are subscribed to my newsletter. And let's see how long it takes me to get it in there and get everybody to do the buy. You ready? On your mark. Get set, go. Time me. I'm getting it out, getting it, doing it, making it happen. New pick. Sharing with the world. New pick. New pick. New pick. Give it to the room. See, I gotta give it to the room. So now I gotta go like this. It's not been a minute yet, has it? Has it been a minute? Has it been a minute? Getting it, getting it. Let's see if I could do it within 10 seconds, okay? We'll see if I could do it in 10 seconds. Ready? Let's see. Here we go. I couldn't put in any of my, I just had to do it without like the emoji kind of thing and playing fancy, you know what I mean? I just had to do it with without that, if you don't mind. So when you guys get the newsletter and you see it, we're doing the EYEG thing right here. And it is off. So that's it. Sent. I didn't get to do it fancy dancy, but it's in my inbox. Is it in your inbox yet? I didn't get to do it fancy dancy, but it should be in your inbox. Let's take a look. Refresh your inbox. Count 5, 4. Here it is. Pro Trader Mike just sent it out to all his subscribers. EYEG by 2 times. Same thing for next week. Here's the chart. Boom. Kabang, and that's what we do. That's how we do it. No time to put some things in because it's going out too much on too many streams. But there you go. That's a pick for next week. Got it. Awesome. What we do. EYEG. Let's do some more research. Mojo likes DYN energy. DYN 646 by 647. Same exact pattern. Same exact pattern. Mojo likes data RAM. DRAM. DRAM. Same exact pattern. Same exact pattern. It's pretty freaky that everything's the same exact pattern. ARCI. I've been watching this since last week because another company went up big with it. Look, coming up off a base on 36,000 at 7.3%. This thing could make a move. It's got a lot of nice characteristics that I like. That's a pretty good one, but I'll pass on that one. It's not as exciting as the other one that I just put out. Callaway Golf is doing good. ELY. Callaway Golf did a buyout or something. Look what Callaway did today. Someone must have done good with their club. Something happened. They hit a hole in one. Let's give you another good one. Doing some good research, huh? How about... That's pretty much it. I don't want to give you no more. Done with that part. I can do that all day long. I can give out picks all day long. Cool. Thought I was overpaying with the service, but I'm not. Nice. Got my spinner. Let me move this back. There we go. Beautiful. So that's what we did for the MOJO Day Trade Show here today. And it is, I don't like these clocks that have the military hours. You know what I mean? I don't like the military. I think you can make it analog. Let's see. Yeah, it gives it it's so weak. Look how weak that is. But actually it's better because it's so weak. Man, they need a new clock. Digital clock settings. Let's see. That's such a weak clock. Oy. Text color. Background color. Nothing. I don't like it. Gotta go back to the digital. How about show to the market close? 2 hours and 40 minutes. To the market close. I like that. Better than reading that military time. Look, and I made the background black. I didn't know I could change the color on it. So you learn something new every day. Look. So we'll have the background. What kind of color background should I have down there? What color background do you think I should have, folks? How about something custom? How about that blue? I like that. Text color white. I like that. And put it to the, there we go. I can make it go to the end so it covers the whole box. $239 to the market. Close. That's a nice looking screen I got right there, huh? Save desktop, boom, exit, and boom. You always got to save the desktop. And that's what we do, guys. So everybody listen. Learning day trading is very easy and it's a lot of fun. You can make more money in 1 hour of trading the stock market than you can all week in any job that you have. Really. Because if you have a weak job and you get paid crap, you'll have a small trading account. But the money you make in that small trading account, $100 a day, $200 a day, times that by 20 days, that's $4,000 a month. That's more than you're making in your current job, and you're doing it in 1 hour a day. Then you get up to the bigger guys that want to retire or replace prior income. I'm making $150,000 a year, but I'm miserable. So rather than making $10,000 a month that way, I'll make $1,000 a day trading the stock market, and I'll make $20,000 a month, and I'll be happy to pay taxes on that because I'm my own boss, and I could sit here at my desk with a spinner and annoy nobody. And that right there, if I broke it at work, I'd be like, who gives a crap? Give me another damn keyboard. But that's my own. Oh, I don't like doing that. That's my own keyboard. Okay? So that's the difference. So what you do is you come in and you paper trade first. So let me show you the room right here. And let me show you like what I do with just paper trading is not the name of the game. It's the coaching that goes along with it, like Klopp. See, every day, hi Mike, what's up? I made CLNT, I made GLBS, and he gives me his results. Now he's got them in the screen. So today he did dry ships, he made $85. Awesome job. So let's get out my calculator. He made 85. Great job. UVXY, he made $31. Now this is a small trader that if he made $4,000 in 1 month, he's so happy, man. Because he busted his ass to do that. PSDV's at 96 now. And then you have 49. He traded in IMMU, 14 in CBMX, 13 in CLNE, FNCX nothing. He lost 7 in LAB. He should have made money in LABD. And he lost 22. He made $163 today. Times that by 20 days, he made $3,260. Excellent job. And he does this every day. The other day made 154 in CLNT, 142 on this, 63 on this, boom, 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 but he lost on this, and then he made it back out of this, and you know, that's what the coaching is for. So when he is live, and this is coaching, he may be live now. I gotta find out. No, this is all simulation. He's in my program. And that's how it works. Even if you're live out of the program, I want to know on a daily basis what you do so I can get you bigger and better. That's what I do. FNCX may go up here, guys, to $1. We got a real nice one right there. Real nice one. See, I'm relaxing all you guys with the spinner. EYEG 210 now. I'm not affecting it. It's 275,000 shares traded. Next week, we're going to trade 1 million. See that little bar coming up? See it? Look. And when you blow it up, magnified, see it? It's sick, ain't it? Don't look like nothing there. Can't see nothing. But when you blow it up, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, right? Oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Everyone's going to be all over that next week. Mojo will be in it already. I already sent it out in the newsletter. It only took me a minute. Took me a minute, fellas. Nice. Hope everyone has a nice weekend. Really do. So I'm off my clock. It's only I can't believe it's 1:30. I just can't believe it. I can't believe it's 1:30. Yeah, EYG's already moving. I know. It's a great pick. Dude, that's how I research on the weekends. I go through 30 charts like that. I pick 2 I put on my screen, and I like them. And when they start to move 1% or 2, dude, they're off to the races. Isn't it easy, Trader Mar? I just revealed all of my secrets to you in today's video. Now anyone can do it. Isn't it amazing? Anyone can do it now, what I just showed you. Go ahead. No one can do it. It's so funny. That's the funny part. No one can do it. If they would, but I don't see it. Oh, someone tried to do something bad. Don't say bad words in my room. My room is a moderated machine now. No one can visit ever. Any free pass that's ever been out there is expired. Any link to the room that anyone has ever had, it's locked. It's a double padlock of encryption on the room right now. No one can chat with anybody, talk to anybody, get in the room. You come in, you ring the register, you watch the picks, you chit-chat around, and you have a good time. The sneakiness is over as EYEG sets a high at 215. Look. See? The MOJO untied the chains from the dock, undid the big ropes off the cruise ship that's leaving, heading to the ocean. See it? Choo-choo! There's the directional map, straight out the inlet right there. Head out the inlet, boys. There's your route to the ocean. Shebang. MOJO does it again. Does it again. Does it again. Guys, what's a moving average? Everyone talks about stocks going through SMA and this and what is that? How come I hear all that on all these other streams? These guys talking about these technical studies like they are from Wharton School of Business, and they're like 18 to 25-year-old kids that have just opened up a chat room because they think they can pick a winner and do that. It doesn't work. It doesn't. There's 3,000 chat rooms. Every time I go to Twitter and I see somebody's name and has something, my tweets aren't responsible or whatever, and then I go and they all have a link to a day trade or a chat room because they're all free. And everyone's giving out picks. It's on teaching. Everyone's teacher. Dude, who's going to pay you thousands of dollars and spend their life and time with you unless hundreds and hundreds of people have already done it? Ain't going to happen. I've already done it. Hundreds and hundreds of people are in my room trading for a living every day, and I can do the same for you. The tools I've given them, the skills, the knowledge, the systems, they work. I'm going to give them to you. I have a webinar on May 10th next week at 1 p.m. I got a Webby. Let me just make sure I got my other screen not shared with the goods. So here's the goods. I have this webinar right here. It's actually opposite. On this side it would be right there. I think it is right there. And you're invited. I'll teach you how to learn to day trade for a living. I'll give you the tools, the skills, and everything you need to be part of the team and to put everything into place very quickly. From there, it's up to you. And on May 10th at 1 p.m., click that link and go ahead and join. On May 11th at 8 p.m., if you can't make it during the day and you're a working professional, I've timed it for at night from 8 to 9, 9:30. There'll be a Q&A. I'll answer anything you want, help you out. I'll show you how to become a member of the MOJO Day Trade team. I'll show you what the courses are all about and how you can become a pro trader and replace or exceed any prior income that you've ever had day trading the market. Because the buy and the hold and that kind of stock selection off charts really doesn't work. Because as I've shown you, those 30 charts, they're all bottom destruction stocks that have gotten crushed as the market has set a new high of 21,000. So the market's getting ready to turn. So there's no 52-week stocks that are straight up that are looking good. Everyone's going to the bottom ones because there's not a lot of risk in them anymore. And I teach you that, how to adapt and change with pro traders in the market. CBMX is finally moving, guys. Look, it's 70 now. See? We looked at this one this morning through 50. It didn't move all day. Now it's finally moving. Look, CBMX, it's finally moving, guys. Check it out, 570 with a 10-cent spread. What's the deal with the spreads, man? How are you gonna buy that thing at 70? They hit the 60s down, that 50, you're down 20 cents already. That's bull crap. I can't trade a stock like that now because of like that. 2 hours and 27 minutes to the close. Are you kidding me? I can go play around the golf. Unbelievable, man. Should I?
That's a firm maybe.
Nah,
No.
I don't think so. Not today.
No. For the last time.
Yeah.
No.
Not today. Not today. So guys, thank you so much for being part of MOJO. I have a special offer to become part of the team. Look right there next to my name. It's 50% off. So what is the same video that I'm giving away at the end of the webinar for $49, which shows you how to read the level 2. I'll hook you up with that. And a 50% off special. So if you pay $49 to join, I give you the video worth $49. So it's even, it's a wash. Spend 30 days with the team. Don't trade, do a 1/10 of your size. I'll set you up with the paper trade platform. Do that, I'll coach you, send me your trades, and let's make it work for you. It's not gonna take a long time, and we'll do it right. Pro Trader Mike signing off, everybody. Peace. Keep it profitable, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.